Hi, you're looking inside the head of a Arboga G2508 geared head drilling machine, floor standing pillar drill. And I thought before I put the case back on, I thought I'd just show you the insides, just in case anyone's interested or contemplating doing a refurbishment on one of these machines. There's no problem with this one, it's just a new to me drill. I wanted to crack it open, just check the state of the gears, check the lubrication, and all seems okay actually. If you have one of these and you would like to dismantle it, seems to be a very trivial job, I would say. There are 4 screws. Let me just get one of these machine screws. Okay, so 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. You'll also need to take that out, and then you can get that side of the casing off. You'll need to just tap a little bit around there. Then you can split it. Came apart quite easily. I think I was the first person to ever split it, looking at the paintwork, and all seems to be quite good in there. If and I'm not going to do it now, but if you wanted to dismantle further this intermediate gear cluster or whatever it's called, this just pulls out. Okay, just watch out that there is some shim stock, or on mine anyway, there's some very thin shim stock there and there, so watch out for that. And also bearing in mind this is it's got gear selectors, so it's got those gear selectors there. There are the arms in there, and then there's a piece that runs in that slot there, and just watch out because the piece that runs in that slot will easily detach from that arm, but and you wouldn't want it to drop down there. But apart from that, I would say it's a pretty easy, well, fairly straightforward matter to strip that down. Really no problems at all that I can see. And in this particular one, the gears, I think they look like they're tough and all to me. Look like they're in pretty good condition. I would say they require the minimum of lubrication. We've got some steel gears running on Tufnell gears there, so long as it's clean and there's nothing abrasive in there, I would think that they would last for quite a long while. The drill, you can't really see the table, can you? But the table's in quite reasonable condition. It's got a handful of apprentice marks. The column is pretty massive actually. I haven't measured it, but it's big. And the table, which is quite heavy, it's easy to rise and fall because we've got that. To shift it around, I've been using a pallet lifter. The machine is heavy. And what else? Yeah, the head rises up and down as well. It's got its own handle around the other side. I'll have to post another video, okay? But you know, all in all, it's actually quite a nice and compact drill as well. It's powerful but compact. I will in the near future hopefully be purchasing a suitable VFD for this. I've tested it out. So the induction motor is actually built into the head. It's I think it's pronounced a Darlander. I'm not too sure of the pronunciation actually, but it's a 2-speed motor. So you change the configuration of the windings to change the speed. Unfortunately, that means that really it should be a 415 volt or maybe 380 volt motor, but you can run it on 230. It's still going to run, but with less power. So that runs, but hopefully I will be getting a VFD that's actually going to step up the voltage as well. And then I'll be running it at its true potential. Okay, so if you've got any questions, I'm unlikely to know too much about this machine as I've only just got it, but feel free to post a comment. Thanks very much and bye.